Hi everyone, El Zanamo Real Estate Inspections LLC. I wanted to come to you today to remind you that April 1st is the new deadline for the smoke detectors with 10-year batteries. They're sealed units so that tenants and kids and people won't open them up and take the batteries out. So they're a lot safer. It's going to save a lot of lives. So any of the closings that happen after April 1st, they will have to have the 10-year sealed battery in them. Thank you for tuning in again this week. And if you or anyone you know needs a home inspection, please give me a call, 315-868-8287. Thank you.